In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 things that I wish I knew before start buying crypto or before investing in cryptocurrency. The crypto market is so brutal to an extent that if say you don't understand what you're doing, then you are starting to fail. If you want to build wealth successfully in this space, then you need to sit tight and watch this video till the end. Before I continue, I want to welcome you on the Beton's Media. I'm your guy, the Beton. Yeah, I create content that will help you build wealth from scratch. Content that will guide you throughout your investment process. Of course, what I do here is no financial advice. I always recommend my viewers to go and do proper research. My videos are a starting point for anyone out there who is interested in the crypto space and want to build wealth from scratch. I go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and you share my content with someone else out there. Having said that, let's begin with the 10 things that I believe if say you apply right now into what you're doing in this crypto space, you are going to be successful investing in cryptocurrency tremendously. The first on my list is understanding what crypto is all about and why it exists in the first place. To invest in cryptocurrency successfully, you need to understand the concept of this industry. Why was crypto established? Who are the players behind cryptocurrency? You need to understand the core values of cryptocurrency. Why are people investing in cryptocurrency? The second on my list is you need to understand how money works. If say you understand the concept of money, how money works, then you're gonna understand how you're gonna be investing in cryptocurrency, how you're gonna allocate your resources every now and then as you embark on this crypto journey. The third on my list is mentorship. You need to have a mentor, someone to guide you, someone that you can call, someone who can guide you throughout your investment process. If not, then you're gonna find yourself losing money a lot every now and then. But if say you have a mentor, someone you can always talk to, someone who can advise you on the market structure, the kind of project that you need to be buying, all the sort of things that are happening in the crypto space. If say you have a mentor, someone to guide you throughout this process, then it's gonna help you to invest in cryptocurrency sustainably. The next on my list is how to know which project is good or bad. Knowing which project is good or bad is going to help you to make good investment decisions as you embark in this journey. You can't just go out there and buy any project because your friend tells you it is good, or maybe you saw someone make money from it. No, you cannot just go and be buying anything you see out there. You need to always understand how to research different project out there, or maybe you pay someone, like a mentor, someone who's gonna help you, sort out this project. It is very important. If say you don't do this, you might end up buying the wrong project always, and you know what that means. You're gonna lose money every now and then. The next thing on my list that I wish I knew before investing in cryptocurrency is security. Security is one of the core fundamental of cryptocurrency. If say you understand how to secure yourself, like securing your wallet is where you keep your cryptos. How to sort out good wallets, how to, go about protecting your funds when you buy them in your wallet. Then you are gonna be rest assured to be successful in this space. If not, you can find yourself sending all your cryptos or giving hackers the opportunity to access your wallet, and before you realize, they have stolen all your asset in your wallet. The next on my list is you having an investment plan. You can't just go about buying or investing in cryptocurrency without you having a proper investment plan. You need to understand how you're going to be buying this cryptocurrency, when you're going to be buying it, what are the catalysts in the market that will prevent you from buying or that will encourage you to buy. You need to have a plan, when to buy, when to sell, a proper plan that will always give you profits every now and then. And without a plan, then you are starting to fail. So make sure you understand how to go about all this. If not, then again, you're going to find yourself losing money every now and then in cryptocurrency. Or maybe you made money and at one point you find yourself losing everything again. This is important. The next on my list is portfolio management. Portfolio management is more than what you can imagine. knowing how to balance your portfolio. Let's say you have just $1,000 only, right? Let's just say you have only $1,000 that you want to invest in cryptocurrency. Knowing how to balance your portfolio is going to help you a lot. If say you don't understand how to manage your portfolio, how to balance your portfolio, then you might end up investing in a project or in project that you don't understand, or maybe you're gonna be losing a lot of money at one point, and it won't help you, guys. It won't help you in any way. So you want to understand how to manage your portfolio, how to go about this sustainably. The next on my list is fundamental analysis. If say you understand the fundamentals out there that push or move cryptocurrency, then you are gonna be on a good foot to invest in cryptocurrency out there, or to make better decisions as you invest in cryptocurrency. If say you know how many countries are adopting cryptocurrency, or how many big companies, or how many billionaires, or how far crypto adoption is gone, or what we need, or what is needed in the crypto space to take the industry to the next level. If say you understand how to go about, how to get all this analysis, all this information, then you are going to be rest assured to be building a successful investment portfolio for yourself, or having a proper plan, or knowing how to go about your investment in this space. The next on my list is bull and bear market. If say you understand what a bear market is all about, what a bull market is all about, it's going to help you tremendously to know when to buy, when to take profit, and when to hold on. This is important, guys. As you invest, as you embark on this journey, crypto, as I mentioned earlier in the video, is brutal, is not your friend. So you cannot sit there and say you have made money. No. The way you make money in cryptocurrency without you knowing how to protect it, then you're gonna lose everything within a short period of time. So make sure you apply all this sustainably. The next on my list, which is the final point I have here for you guys today, is cash flow. You having a cash flow, be it a job, or maybe you're doing a business that gives you income every now and then, or every month, that will enable you to allocate a part of it to buying the project out that you believe in, is going to help you in your investment journey. This is important. You understand cash flow is how you make money, in terms of maybe you are doing a business, or you have a job that pays you every month, or you have a business that pays you every day, depending on what you are doing. But investment is not business. So don't treat investment as a business. You are investing for your future. So you need to have a cash flow that you can put in back to your investment as you build a successful portfolio, or a successful investment in the future. These are the 10 points that I want you to take into consideration before you embark fully investing in cryptocurrency. And if say you don't have time to go through all these, a mentor, a coach is going to help you throughout the process. You don't need to know everything, but you need to understand the basics of cryptocurrency, why it is existing, so that you're going to understand the future of this industry. Crypto is here to stay. Crypto and blockchain is the future. Crypto is here to stay. So don't sit there and think crypto is going anywhere. I can help you throughout the process if say you have me as your mentor. So if say you want to take your investment to the next level, and you need someone to guide you throughout the process, then feel free to reach out to me through the link below this video, so I can help you throughout the process as you embark in this crypto investment journey. And also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and you share this content with someone else out there. When you do subscribe, share, and like this content, it helps to reach out to more people like you who are looking for ways to succeed in this industry. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.